Jogging yan siya. Pag yan,
Nag-dyan siguro siya.
hmm,
Tapos nag-dyan din siya nagkaroon.
baka, oo. Pag yan hindi pa pumayat, hindi na talaga ako bibili. Kasi ang workout niya umaga at saka gabi. Umaga talaga, early so early.
Pero malaki pa siya, no?
Hindi, yung mga ganyan, malaki talaga yung katawan. Malalaki mga buto niyan eh. Sobrang ano kasi nang ganyan. Your arms look strong. Yeah, you know what? What I did last night, it was lifting 5 kg of what is barbell, just 5 kg doing up, straight up. And you know the legs, you know the 10 kg you need to push up with your leg. You need to I don't know what it is called, but the machine that you need to push up the 10 kg. Maybe around, it is already around 20 kg. Hello, yes, hello to Charandas Express. Hi. I left with yeah, lifting weight is saying heavy and it makes my God. It makes myself wow. I said I can't. 10 kg is okay, but more than that, sorry. Si Kuya, no, 4 kg pala yun sa kanya. A bench press. Yeah, I think like that. Super dress. Thank you. Yeah, let's see if I get fit, more fit, or what. How's everyone, guys? Mega love shout out to all of you. Like Dan, thank you, Chad and Dash. How's your day, host? My day was okay. It was great. Just here, but later 5 p.m. I need to go to I need to visit. I need to go to the gym for a workout. Now it is like just here. Need to do live. You're not fat, host. No, I am fat already. I am 62 kg. I am fat.
Ay, magtimbang kayo mamaya.
Mamaya may simba dyan?
Magtimbang ba? Magtimbang.
Asos, ginoo ko, wala pa yan. Sige nga, magtimbang na
Magtimbang
tayo.
tayo mamaya bago tayo mag-gym.
62 is good. I don't think so, but for me, I am big.
Ilang ano ka nga, be? Height mo?
5'2".
Pag 5'2", dapat nasa ano ka lang, 55.
Oh, ganun.
Ako, 5'1" ako. Pag 5'1", nasa ano lang ako na, ayun din bang mga 50. 50 or 50 o mga 50.
5'2". Hi, Sherwin. Nagagala si Sherwin. Hi, Sherwin. Tao lagi dun sa live mo. Iniiwan mo lang talaga, ha. You look taller. No, I am not tall. I'm just 5'2". I'm small. I'm just 5'2".